Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? We're going to look at different Amharic letters with the same sound. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. I leave the link of the first part in the description box. The first letters we're going to look at are both pronounced a. 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 U. U. E. E. A. A. E. E. I. I. O. O. A. U. E. A. E. I. O. Notice how the first and fourth letters on both rows are pronounced a. A. The next letters we're going to look at make the ts sound. Both these letters are pronounced tse. 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 Tsu. Tsu. Tsi. Tsi. Tsa. Tsa. Tse. Tse. Tsi. Tsi. Tso. Tso. Tse. Tsu. Tsi. Tsa. Tse. Tsi. Tso. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.